पाक स्टडीज़ के सिलसिले में ये MCQs पार्ट नंबर 5 है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका, नंबर ऑफ हाउसेस ऑफ पाकिस्तान मजलिस शोरा पार्लियामेंट इज़, इट्स आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन बी 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, the supreme commander of Pakistan armed forces is, its answer is option C, president. Next question, SNGPL stands for, its answer is option B, Sui Northern Gas Pipeline Limited. B is correct here. Next question, the third largest city of Pakistan is, its answer is option A, Faisalabad. Next question, first census was held in Pakistan in the year, its answer is option B, 1951. Next question, Sadkin is famous for, its answer is option D, painting and calligraphy. Next question, the Muslim came to Sindh in 712 AD under the leadership of, its answer is option C, Muhammad bin Qasim. Next question, the area between river Jhelum and Chenab is called, its answer is option B, Chaj. Next question, the largest railway workshop Mughalpura is situated in, its answer is option D, Lahore. And the last question today, the ruins of Harappa are situated in district, its answer is option D, साहिवाल। सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।